All right. So now let's do a room tour real fast. We're fresh on the ship. This weird purple lighting.
That's a nice room with a nice view.
Yeah, we kind of on Virgin's dime on this cruise. It's a travel agent cruise. They gave us an access key. So all we had to do was pay the taxes. So what you're about to see is a balcony room, deck 9, and let's take a look.
Conveniently located next to the elevators.
Yes, you come off the aft elevators, and it's right here.
Right here.
But let's take a look. So to get in the room, you go and you scan this lovely thing. Maybe. Till it turns green. And then you walk in. Bam! Normally it would be dark in here, but since we open up the door, the lights automatically come on, so let's continue going. To the left is the bathroom. Pretty fancy. Got the shower with the shower door. On the other side, this is your closet situation. Plenty of hangers. There's a shoe thing down here. And then in here, life vest, the safe. You got all the pull-out drawers. And if you need a mirror. Hello. So that's pretty spiffy. All right. Here is the bed situation. There is one plug, 2 USBs to that side. And then over here, there's a plug and 2 USBs right there. This is the desk area. There's also 2 plugs and a couple USBs. That's the charging tablet. That keeps everything in the room. You know, the lights, the curtains, all that good stuff. Refrigerator. They supply your room with water. And then we have this. There you go. There's Miami. We like the balconies on Virgin. It comes with a hammock and everything. But yeah. This is room 90228 on the Virgin Scarlet Lady.